Hey gamers, I'm in the middle of putting curtains in my camper shell. Don't, yeah, that fell. Don't worry about that. I figured I'd show you how I did like the tiebacks, cause like there's videos of like how to do curtains on YouTube, but they kind of just put them up there and they look terrible and like they move going down the road. And I don't like that. So basically, I got this like really cheap leather pillowcase. It's like it's not real leather. I'm not that rich, but basically, I kind of just like cuts like, I think this is like 12 inches of strips. Basically like that long, like 12 inches, and then you just go whoop. And then you kind of just self-taper that bad boy until like so I have like aluminum camper shell into like the frames of the thingy. So this one doesn't have it, and this is how a lot of people leave it, and they like do that. I don't like that. It don't look good. So basically that's it. Just, you know, kind of dangling there. It looks flaccid, but you know. Then you just, I'm not gonna be able to do it with one hand, but you scrunch it up and you shove it in there like that. I don't know how this is gonna like go over time, because it's not like the highest quality material. It's got like a, you know, so this is what it looks from the outside. Yeah, I like it. I don't know. It looks cool.